indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Certified pre-owned and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hill assist system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings,
when purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned, once an Acura, always an Acura.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.